Hello and welcome back to the Marks Electrical showroom here on Boston Road in Beaumont Leys, the heart of Leicester, for another product review video. Now, I want to draw your attention to this particular display. First, allow me to introduce the LG FH6F9BDS2 washing machine with, as you can see next to it, the Centum System. Now, it's not very often we get to see the Centum System detached from the machine, but anybody who owns this appliance will know that it's there. So let's take a closer look. So how does the Centum System differ from conventional models then? Well, this is the drum outside of the machine, and when it's in operation, it's powered by an inverter direct drive motor and not, as you can see, there's no belt and there's no pulley, so there's no belt to snap with wear and tear. That inverter direct drive motor will force rotation and has an estimated lifespan of 20 years. This drum is solid as a rock too, as is the motor, and it limits vibrations for a damping system, a fixed tub, dual ball balancers, which you can see on the front and the back here, and it's all illustrated for anybody who comes into the showroom with these signs here. So then, that's how the Centum System works. But to show you how this magnificent appliance works, I'm going to need to take this back to the studio. So I'll see you there. So back to the studio we go then with this impressive LG washing machine. And what more do you need to know about the additional features of this fantastic appliance? You need to know that the drum that we've gone into so much detail there has a 12 kg capacity. That's suitable for even the biggest of household. That's the equivalent of 60 shirts in one load. It would take a very big family to need more than 60 shirts in one load. You need to know that this product is A+++ rated for energy efficiency minus 60%. That means it saves 60% more energy than an A-rated appliance. There's some fantastic savings to be had there. You need to know about LG's Smart ThinQ technology that can unlock a host of additional features through smart technology in much the same way that it does on LG TVs. We'll talk more about that in a bit. What more is there to say? Let's take a look at the programming. Let's get to the bottom how the rest of this wonderful washing machine works then by going through the control panel. Now, the capacity and energy efficiency rating we discussed, but they are confirmed here, 12 kilograms and A++ rating minus 60%. So let's go through the rest of the functions then. You can see here this is true steam. This is done through an inbuilt generator. Motion can move the drum in different directions. That can reduce creasing upon the finish of the cycle as well. Turbo wash is a jet spray. That jet spray sprays onto your clothes rather than build the water up from the bottom. That's a good function. The mixed wash means you can wash all sorts of different fabrics together. That's very handy. We'll move on to the control dial and all the programs here. There's all sorts here, as you can see. There's an allergy care which works at high temperatures. There's a steam refresh rather than the steam, so that's one of the steam aspects on here. Dark wash, there's a speed 14. This is the download cycle, which, as you can see through the SmartThin IQ there, that means you can download programs. Smart diagnosis for if there's a problem, that can get the LG Online team to look at that. That's your on button. And this is the LED control panel, all sorts of functions, variable temperature, variable spin, and the Centum System badge with the 20-year warranty, as we discussed. And this is the door, as you can see, easy to open, but very sturdy. Shut it again, excellent. So let's start to wrap up with the dimensions then. This washing machine is 850 millimeters in height, 600 millimeters in width, 640 millimeters in depth, but please note that the latter does not include knobs, the door and pipework, and please, as always, leave 5 millimeters either side for clearance. And that's what we've got to tell you about the LG FH6F9BDS2 washing machine, and it's certainly a product that we recommend to our customers. You can buy this product now from Marks Electrical. All you have to do is follow the link below this video and it'll take you directly to our website. We offer free and next day delivery subject to availability and finance options subject to status. Do hit that subscribe button below so you'll always know when we posted a video to YouTube. Please also leave those comments as well and we'll get back to as many of you as we can. That's all from Marks Electrical and we'll see you next time.